Do you want to purchase Tesla stock, but you're not sure if it's a wise decision? You're not by yourself. Expert opinion on the matter is usually split. On the one hand, Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry by controlling the market for electric vehicles and forcing established automakers to play catch up. However, some investors have doubts about Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, and the company's future technological capabilities. You could be forgiven for feeling a little skeptical in 2022, given that the stock was at the top of the volatility rankings. But before you decide, consider all the details of the story. Elon Musk disclosed in a recent series of tweets that the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett's investment company, was offered the chance to buy Tesla shares in 2009 but turned it down. Buffett regrets this mistake to this day because it allowed him to miss out on one of the greatest investments in history. Imagine what would happen to the stock price if Buffett followed Elon's earlier request to invest in Tesla. Elon has made it obvious that he originally wanted Buffett to do so. So let's examine the specifics and determine what's happening. But hit that subscribe and like buttons before we move on. While the price may be improving now, Tesla's stock dropped as low as $108 per share at its lowest point. Elon Musk's controversial social media behavior, production challenges that resulted in delays in quality control issues, market swings, and more competition from traditional automakers entering the electric vehicle industry could all have contributed to Tesla's stock price decrease to $108. These elements might have affected Tesla's stock price and led to a decline in investor confidence, though it's probable that more elements were involved as well. Tesla's monopoly on the future of the auto industry is being challenged by legacy automakers who are racing to introduce their electric cars. However, despite the bear's constant claims that Elon Musk, the CEO, is unreliable and that Tesla is overstating the potential of its next technology, the firm has grown astronomically in recent years. Not only has well-known investor Cathie Wood been buying Tesla stock on a regular basis lately, her most recent acquisition was made on December 15th, but many people also think that Berkshire Hathaway, led by Warren Buffett, has been accumulating a sizable stake in Tesla shares. Throughout the past 10 years, Tesla has been one of the most sought-after stocks and an inventive pioneer in the electric vehicle EV market. At least one prominent investor, though, has not yet expressed interest in it. Warren Buffett. Elon Musk recently explained on Twitter that Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett's investment firm, would have generated a significant profit today if it had invested in Tesla in 2008, when the company was only worth $200 million. The market value of Tesla is currently over $600 billion, and it was over $1 trillion in October 2021 and March of last year. Musk stated that Charlie Munger, the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and right-hand man of Warren Buffett, had the opportunity to invest in Tesla at a $200 million valuation during a launch in late 2008. Musk had previously stated that Munger had foreseen Tesla's demise in 2009 over lunch. Musk thought it was worthwhile to try to succeed, even if he agreed with Munger's motivations, and we all know what transpired after that. The business has emerged from bankruptcy on several occasions and is now regarded as one of the best investments in human history. Is Buffett prepared to make up for his decision to pass on Tesla and leave billions on the table for his investors? It seems that Buffett has not been enthusiastically purchasing Tesla stock, despite CEO Elon Musk's optimism regarding the company's potential for sustained growth in vehicle deliveries at an average rate of 50% per year, and the fact that the business currently has the highest operating margin in the auto industry. Given the promising future of electric vehicles, it may come as a surprise, but at one point in January, Tesla's stock fell about 75% from its peak. It would seem reasonable to believe that Warren Buffett's disinterest in Tesla stems from the fact that it is outside of his purview. This makes sense because the well-known investor has a history of avoiding significant tech stock investments because he didn't understand the company's businesses, but I think we can rule out this theory as the cause of his hesitancy to make a Tesla investment. Buffett's investment horizons have been expanded first and foremost by Ted Weschler and Todd Combs, the investment managers of Berkshire Hathaway. Berkshire's portfolio, which currently includes equities like Activision Blizzard, Desert, and Snowflake, is indicative of this. Moreover, Buffett's largest acquisition of the previous year was Taiwan Semiconductor. Buffett's investment interest in Tesla should thus not be limited by the fact that it is a tech business. As of the end of 2021, Berkshire has $2.2 billion in shares of General Motors Company and $6.1 billion in Chinese electric vehicle stock ADR from Bide Company. This suggests that Buffett is still bullish on GM and Bide. However, Berkshire has never made an investment in Tesla. People closely follow Warren Buffett's actions with his fortune, and many consider him to be the greatest investor of all time. The conglomerate sold an extra 3.2 million Bide shares last week, according to a statement issued by the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. This brought its overall holdings of Bide shares to 15.99. In 2008, Berkshire Hathaway purchased stock in Bide, a Chinese manufacturer of electric vehicles. Although Bide was not well known at the time, Buffett recognized potential in the company's cutting-edge battery and electric vehicle technologies. Since then, BYD has expanded to rank among the biggest producers of batteries and electric cars worldwide, with a market valuation of more than $100 billion. Indeed, BYD is now a rival to Tesla in certain areas as a result of its success in the electric vehicle space. Buffett's stake in BYD is thought to be evidence of his long-term investment philosophy and his optimism about the future of electric cars. As a result, there have been more whispers that Buffett is switching from BYD to Tesla stock. In 2022, Buffett complimented the Tesla CEO on his achievements during an interview. On the other side, Elon Musk has made it clear on several times that he does not admire Warren Buffett. He has called Buffett's work super boring and disregarded his investment advice. Musk was asked whether he would consider consolidating his different businesses under a parent company akin to Berkshire Hathaway, which is owned by Warren Buffett, during a recent Tesla earnings call. Musk retorted, "I'm not." Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, the CEO of the aerospace company SpaceX, the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla, and the infrastructure company, the Boring Company, reportedly told Fortune magazine that he prefers to work on product creation and development over accumulating a portfolio of investments or other comparable endeavors. Being the richest person on the planet, Musk stated that he wants to keep his firms separate and that he doesn't know where there might be overlaps. Musk has reportedly ignored Warren Buffett's advice to investors to put money into businesses with strong moats or competitive advantages, according to Fortune magazine and CNBC. In 2018, Musk said that innovation pace matters and that moats are meaningless. Buffett took offense at Musk's remark. He made reference to See's candies and remarked, "Elon may turn things upside down in some areas. I don't think he'd want to take us on in candy." Candies, the business he acquired in 1972. Ultimately, there are rumors that the powerful shareholder is departing since Berkshire has not given a reason for selling his BYD shares. In a series of tweets, Christopher Dungeon said there was a 25% possibility Buffett and Charlie Munger had been covertly buying Tesla stock for Berkshire Hathaway. This subjective probability is based on Dungeon's assessment and belief rather than a precise mathematical computation. That is a small-scale accumulation of less than $1 billion. He added that Charlie Munger had lately lauded Tesla and its CEO, Elon Musk, and given some of his arguments and theoretical thinking on the matter. Elon Musk tweeted in February that Charlie Munger of Berkshire Hathaway told lunch guests that Tesla, the Oasis electric vehicle manufacturer, will fail. Musk had attacked Tesla in the past. I remembered having lunch with Munger in 2009 and being quite down after listening to him lay out in front of the whole table all the reasons why Tesla was certain to fail. That was back in January. The vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and a frequent opponent of Musk, Munger, has already expressed his displeasure with Musk's actions on social media and his propensity to make audacious statements about Tesla's next endeavors. Although there is no formal proof, it's probable that the two discussed the problems in private. Elon claimed that during the chat, he consoled himself by telling Munger that he agreed with his assessment and that even though Tesla was probably going to die, it was still worth a shot. Elon, you're right on that. It was not only worthwhile to try, but the outcome has improved the globe. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy this video and the Tesla stuff. Music, we appreciate your time and we'll see you in the upcoming video. Music.